Ride the Finke Desert Racetrack, there and back. Experience what it's like to ride the Finke Desert Racetrack. It's the biggest and fastest desert race in the Southern Hemisphere. Every year, around 600 bikes and 150 cars tackle the event in an attempt to get there and back. Join us for a 2-day ride that will ensure you discover the vast beauty of Central Australia and get a taste of this unique, challenging course.
Stop rolling!
Riders of any ability can take part in this tour. You'll have the luxury of riding at your own pace without the pressure of race conditions and without swallowing dust the whole day. With the combined involvement of over 40 years in this race, we have the experience and local knowledge to ensure that you get maximum value and enjoyment from your desert riding experience. Camp under the stars and experience a stunning sunset that only the Outback landscape can provide. We look after you with meals and drinks for both days, along with all the camping and sleeping gear you'll need to survive a night in the desert. For those that select the all-inclusive hire package, 4-star accommodation is included in Alice Springs for 2 nights. See and experience historical points of interest along the old Ghan railway line. If time permits, we will also divert off course to discover some other cool places to see and ride. You'll also have the opportunity to visit Apachula community and see the mighty Finke River itself. The ride is fully supported. You'll ride one of our Sherco 500 SEF factory editions, or you can bring your own bike if you prefer. We include all fuel, mechanical support, food and drinks, camping gear, sweep riders, and a backup vehicle provided. All you need to bring is your riding gear and a sense of adventure.